guys, it's your girl Just Behave, and I am finally back with another video. And I know it's been a while. I'm so sorry, you guys, but your girl is back. I'm back and I'm better. I'm gonna go ahead and do a nail haul of what I got at the nail supply store. So I went to Orlando this weekend and I decided to go to ABC Nail Supply. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got from the nail supply, and we're gonna chop it up, period. Hey, thank you guys so much for getting me to 1K subscribers. I appreciate it. I can't believe that many of you guys actually like me. And yeah, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I got content coming and it's gonna be on the way. So let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so the first thing that I got from this nail haul was this lamp. And the reason why I got it is because it has like the table thing. Hold up, y'all. You know my brightness be acting up. So yeah, you guys, I got it because it has like this thing where you can attach it to your desk as opposed to having like the whole lamp sit on your desk, because I need like nail desk space. And then it's an LED lamp, so I won't have to change the bulbs or anything like that. And it's from D&D, so I'm assuming that it should be good. I mean, like, come on. I tried to insert a clip of how it looks on my table, and y'all, your girl got a new table. Stay tuned for that video. Oh my God. That's pretty much it. It doesn't really have any specs or anything like that. I paid $35 for it, and I'm gonna tell y'all how it works. But next, all right. So the next thing that I purchased from them was this, and I'm sure you guys know what this is. This is where people mainly put like their two color powders. Some people put clear, some people put like, you know, basically powders that they use often so that they can always have it like in close range and accessible. And then they put the monomer in this one, I believe. So I decided to get this because I need it. Like I want to just pour my main things in here and, you feel me, move on to the next thing. So yeah, it basically comes with all three compartments. And yeah, y'all know what it is. But it doesn't have a specific name. It just says success on the box. Yeah, so for this I paid $13. So I also purchased 6 buffers. They're like 3 for $1, so I decided to get some for $2. I have a lot of buffers here, but you know, I just want to try out like the softer ones because I got the hard ones, and y'all, they're just a little bit too rough, you know, just too rough for me. All right, y'all, so the next thing that I got is acetone. And yeah, because I needed a bottle of acetone, well, a bottle for my acetone, because I had a spray bottle. I don't know why I decided to put acetone in the spray bottle. It just didn't make any sense, so I decided to get this. And this was like $1 or $2, I don't remember, but it was like around that range, if not 3, I don't know. And then the next one that I got is alcohol. It says 70% by volume, but I got like 99% alcohol. I don't know. All right, so the next thing that I got from the nail supply, it has nothing to do with nails, but oh, it's tint kit. So I wanted to try out tinting my eyebrows. So I'm definitely gonna record me doing that. And yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. So I paid like $14 for this. And yeah, so the brand is Godfroy. I don't even know how to say that. And the next thing that I purchased are some nail stickers. And I think each nail sticker was $3. Yeah, $3. And I decided to get different butterfly nail stickers because I love butterflies. If you guys didn't know, butterflies are like my favorite insect. That's just something to know about me. Even like my nail background has butterflies around it. I love butterflies. So I needed some butterflies. I ordered some, but they haven't come in time, and I really want to do a set with some butterflies, so I decided to get some. So I got these 3 different butterflies. And like I told y'all, I paid $3 each for these. And then I also got some sunflowers. You know, it's like the fall season, but I still like some flowers. And I feel like flowers are in period, so I decided to just get some flowers. The next thing that I purchased from them were these foils because I ran out of foil and I needed some. And I really, really like this. And I love this one. Like this one right here, fire. Can't wait to use it. They have gold, like the rose gold, and then silver, which I rarely use. But yeah. Yeah. So this is it, and I paid $8 for it. I'm definitely gonna get my use out of this because I love to put gold foil in my nails. Like says, like just keep. The next thing that I got, and I paid $5 for each jar. So I'm gonna show you guys. But yeah, here they go, y'all. Some cute stars. I cannot wait to use these. Like, do y'all see this? Like, come on now. Cute. All right, hold up. The next is some hearts, and I've been seeing this like on Instagram and stuff, and I got a hold of some. I also got some bigger sized hearts just so I can kind of like mix the two together and like do a nice, like, you know, heart set. And I just feel like it's gonna be so cute, so I decided to get that. These hearts, and these have like a mixture of sizes in there. So yeah, this is gonna go off in a set too. So freaking cute. Can't wait to use it, and I paid $5 each for each box. The next thing that I got was some unicorn chrome, and I actually paid $20 for this. I don't know what I was thinking. You know, you just go nail crazy when you go into these stores. So yeah, but I know that I can find this online cheaper somewhere. If y'all know somewhere, write it down below, sis. Don't do that, okay? Because I need a discount. But yeah, I'm gonna see how this works, and this is just how it looks. And excuse my nails, y'all, I need to refill, my bad. But yeah, this is how it looks. And I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in another video because I plan on doing a unicorn nail. So exciting for the first time. I also purchased some cobalt nippers because I needed some more. Like, you can never have too many nippers. So I bought 2 of these, one with the round tip and one sharp, I guess. But the rounded is more like softer on your hands, like it doesn't cut so sharp, you know, and then the regular one is just sharp, period. Because I needed it. Like, I need some designer stickers, and yeah. So I decided to get these. So I'm gonna show you guys one by one. I'm gonna turn down the lights because, you know, we just be blind and stuff. All right, so the first one that I got are these Gucci prints, period, sis. Some of my clients who want Gucci, I got Gucci, sis. Like, what you wanna do? The next thing that I got are these gold, like, holographic butterflies, and these are so cute. I wish I would have found them before I would have incorporated them into these nails, but these are so old that I'm gonna take them off, so we're definitely gonna use this at a later time. So these are the same design, if you guys can see. So these are just gold, and I need these. They're so cute. So cute, and I paid $5 each. I have these Chanel print gold as well. These white Louis Vuitton print, but they look like they glow in the dark. Like, you know how like it has like that glove looking cast on it where it looks like it'll glow. So I'm gonna use this and see if it glows. I don't know, but I'll let y'all know if it does. 3D flowers, and I'm gonna try to encapsulate these in a set. I just feel like they look so cute, and I had to get them. Like, they're different colors, and I feel like, I don't know, on a spontaneous day, I'm gonna put these in some nails. Probably on top, you never know, I don't know. We'll just see what happens. But last but not least, these, I got these scissors, and these are just some straight scissors so that I can cut, like, you know, my stilettos and stuff, or just cut and shape the nail tip if I need to. Alright you guys, so that concludes my nail supply haul. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below what your favorite item was. I have more videos coming up. Be sure y'all like and subscribe because it's about to get lit. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, period, on period, post. See you guys next time. Bye!